Are you looking for a range of tools to do maintenance on your cars, motorbikes, as well as light commercial vehicles? Look no more, here are 5 tools that you can use from Milwaukee to make your maintenance work quick and easy. These tools are all operational on the 12-volt battery from Milwaukee. They cover drilling, fastening, pumping, as well as working in tight spaces. Let's get into it. The first tool we have is the Milwaukee 13mm compact drill. This is excellent for drilling holes or maintaining electrical parts. It comes with a variable clutch as well as 2 speed modes for you to do general automotive work. The next tool is the Milwaukee impact wrench. This is a 12-volt impact wrench with a very short body profile but is able to exert torque of over 339 Newton meters. This means that you are able to open tire nuts as well as hard fasteners within the engine area. This is the Milwaukee right-angle impact wrench. It is excellent for working in tight spaces and is able to exert a force up to 339 Newton meters. This is excellent for working in the engine bay area as well as areas under the car that is difficult to reach. There is also a slim body impact ratchet that is useful for reaching really deep areas in the car. The body length is approximately 150 mm, and this means that you are able to tighten nuts in areas that are previously unreachable. For the pumping of tires, you may use the Milwaukee Inflator. This cordless inflator is able to inflate tires of both cars, motorbikes, as well as light commercial vehicles conveniently and cordlessly. No more dragging cords around the workshop or around the place and causing trip hazards. Finally, for work in the bonnet area as well as under the vehicle, you are able to use the Milwaukee floodlight. This is a USB powered floodlight that is able to be magnetically attached to the bonnet as well as has a swivel joint to allow you to angle the light in difficult to reach areas. This light is able to project up to 400 lumens of brightness and is excellent for many areas of repair. Shop at President Trading for the best tools and service.